Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Ideogram AI app on your iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open App Store on your iPhone. Once you do that, you're going to see options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcades and Search at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Search, then select Search bar from the top of your screen. Then go ahead and type in Ideogram AI, then tap on Search. Once you do that, you're gonna see Ideogram AI Image Generator as the first option on your screen. Go ahead, tap on it, then right beside the icon you'll see one of these two options, Get and Backup. Go ahead and tap on one of those options, then give the necessary details asked by the App Store. Once you do that, your iPhone will download Ideogram AI on it. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Ideogram AI app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.